Hey everybody, it's Dan, and I'm here at the shop, and as you can probably see, I'm making up kits for the Vortex because we put them on sale last night, 2 for 1. So I got some orders, and we'd like to make a lot more of them. So I got it up here, and we're going to be cutting them out this morning, and we got the laser printer all ready to rock here, and we're going to be cutting some out. So anyway, I thought all the guys that aren't up on the newsletter, I'd shoot a YouTube video out here and let you know we got 2 for 1. So you buy 2, you only pay for 1. All right, I got something on my nose. Okay, later. This video won't last long. Bye.